Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho CRM for beginners. First, let's explore the dashboard, your central hub for all activities. You'll quickly grasp its intuitive layout, designed for efficiency. We'll identify essential modules such as leads, accounts, and contacts, which form the backbone of your customer data. Then, we'll customize your initial settings, ensuring the system aligns perfectly with your business needs right from the start. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Next, we'll dive into managing your leads and contacts, a vital part of any CRM. You'll learn how to capture new leads, whether from web forms or manual entry, and then efficiently convert those qualified leads into contacts and associated accounts. Keeping your contact information organized is key for quick access and effective follow-ups. Zoho CRM helps you track every interaction, ensuring you have a complete communication history for each valuable connection. Now, let's explore sales automation and managing deals within Zoho CRM. You can easily create and track sales opportunities, moving them through various stages of your pipeline. The system allows you to automate routine tasks, like sending follow-up emails, saving you valuable time. Setting up custom workflows will streamline your entire sales process, from initial contact to closing. Monitoring deal stages provides clear insights for accurate revenue forecasting. Finally, we'll look at the powerful reporting and customization features. Zoho CRM enables you to generate insightful reports on sales performance, helping you understand what's working well. You can customize your dashboards to display the most critical metrics at a glance. Tailor modules and fields to perfectly fit your unique business processes. Plus, seamless integration with other applications ensures your CRM works harmoniously within your existing tech stack, enhancing overall productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.